In this video, I will be telling you step by step how you guys can actually withdraw from the BullX. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will be providing the BullX link in the description below you guys so you guys can get started with BullX from today. So, what you have to do is exactly follow these steps. So, open up the BullX, and once you're in the BullX, let's go to the wallet manager. In the wallet manager, make sure that you add a wallet to for the withdrawal process. Make sure that there is a wallet address where you want to send the money or send any sort of cryptocurrency to. For example, I have added my Phantom and Bybit wallet. So if I go ahead and withdraw anything, for example, if I have something over here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on withdraw, and then I can select either of my wallet in order to get it withdrawn. So this is how it is. So that's how simple it is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.